match in South Africa when they played one of the one-day internationals. And Wasim has done it, as we all know. He's capable of perfect Yorker, perfect delivery, and too good for Simcox to handle.
And now in real danger of being bowled out, can you believe it, without having faced their full complement of overs. But a superb delivery there from Wasim Akram. Again the Yorker. This might have been the in-swinger because it hit the leg stump out of the ground. Great bowling by the most experienced man in the Pakistani side, playing his 233rd one-day international, and that will be his 336th wicket. Alan Donald has scored just 40 runs in 22 innings, so he's hardly likely to be able to stand up to the sort of stuff we've seen from Wasim Akram, who knocks him over first ball, middle stump. What sensationing bowling by the Pakistani captain.
Well, that's what I've been saying. I was saying that both Wasim and Sakline are the two most difficult bowlers to get away in limited overs cricket when they come into bowl towards the end. And Wasim Akram showing why he's number one one-day bowler in the world at the moment. He's taken the highest number of wickets, and he has demolished the South African batting, not allowing Alan Donald to even get a bat to the ball.
Well, you never know with Wasim. He was making that ball swing on a brilliant length, and 3 wickets in the space of